From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
If you didn't see the post from Bogus Basin Resort today, it was so peak 2022. They said due to supply chain issues, we have now received February's order of snowfall, and about 7 inches reported up at Bogus through the last 24 hours, 5 to 7 inches, I should say. How about April snow at the airport where they record for our official records? Half an inch on Sunday when we saw those beautiful fat flakes. That was enough for some people to sled in the backyard Sunday morning. Monday, 1/3 of an inch and almost a half an inch so far today. Get a little more graupel, and that could maybe add to the total there. And we have seen some graupel convective showers embedded in this unsettled action coming in from the west-northwest. That continues to be the case. I think satellite and radar imagery will continue to look just like this, very spotty in nature, through the next 3 days. We get a little bit quieter on Friday, and then another push of moisture moves in on Saturday. So still a forecast to stay on top of. So looking at future casts, just to give you an idea of when the most active weather will be expected. Maybe a few snow showers overnight tonight. I don't anticipate an overly slow commute or messy commute tomorrow morning. That is to say, though, that any areas that might be wet or slick right now will be frozen by tomorrow morning, as we're expecting a low in Boise in the upper 20s and close to 30 degrees. Then tomorrow, midday, early afternoon, maybe some more convective showers expected. Very spotty in nature, but times of graupel, quick snow shower, even a quick snow squall not out of the question, especially for the mountain areas. What a snow squall is kind of like a summertime thunderstorm, but it comes along with snow, and it can be fast and furious snow, so much so that it reduces visibility for a time. It can kind of catch us off guard at times. So that's why I say a forecast to stay on top of, especially if you have travel plans. Into Thursday, here's our next push of moisture that comes into play for us. It may mean snow for the morning commute. That's a time frame we'll be watching really closely. And into the afternoon, a chance for thunderstorms over the area. Those thunderstorms could bring about some small hail, also some gusty wind, as well as graupel, the little snow pellets. So how much snow are we looking at through end of day on Thursday? Somewhere between 1 to 2 inches for our mountain valleys. Again, keep in mind, it's the kind of snow we've already seen so far, where it doesn't have the fluff factor to it. It doesn't pile up rather quickly, but it kind of compacts. It's that wet, heavy snow, but it is more snow, and we'll take every bit we can get, especially in our mountains. Magic Valley forecast tomorrow, a little less wind, so it won't feel quite as cold, even though our temperatures tomorrow afternoon very similar to what we experienced this afternoon. Into the central mountains, scattered snow showers, good deal of cloud cover. We'll call it mostly cloudy skies. Cool temperatures anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees below seasonal averages. For the lower Treasure Valley, topping out in the mid to upper 40s, and you see the icon there indicating the potential for thunderstorms. It's nothing like a summertime thunderstorm that would bring about anything too dramatic, but maybe a quick dark cloud that comes over. You hear a rumble of thunder, and you see some of the graupel or snow pellets coming down, or maybe even some small hail. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast for us. Again, lots going on here. I realize that there is a lot to look at, and if you'd also like to see more on the forecast and download our interactive radar, you can find both of those things at KTVB.com. Looks like the spring sunshine returns just in time for Easter, and will warm things up into the spring 60s come Monday.